Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add multiple photos on your Instagram stories. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see I'm going to Instagram. Okay, so Instagram is open, and in order to add multiple photos in Instagram stories, so first you have to click on stories. So just open the stories. Now just click photo by clicking on this button. Just click one photo. Okay, so it has been clicked. Now you have to go in this three line dot option, go to the draw option. Maybe you will see on here first, or here you have to click on this draw option. Okay, now you have to select color from here. I just select this blue one, and just hold middle of this photo. Just hold for 1 3 second and just leave it. You have to hold for 1 or 2 seconds. Then all background will be changed with your selected color. Now you have to click on OK. Now your background has been ready. Now you have to click on sticker option. In sticker option you have to find this multiple option. Okay, you will find this option anywhere. Okay, so in my case I have here. You if you don't not find, just scroll down. Okay, and now you can just click on it, and your mobile gallery will be open. Now just select your photos. I just select this one. Okay, and you can adjust size, you can resize, you can move anywhere. Okay, now just click again on this option, go click on this option again, and you can add multiple photos as you wish. So I want to add this also. Okay, so you can add many photos as per your requirement. So that is how you can add multiple photos. You can add frame also. Just click on sticker option again, and in search bar you can search frame. Okay, so you will see many type of frames. You can insert it, and you can adjust frame as per your photo. Okay, just adjust it. Okay, so you can see, and now you can post these stories to your, you have to click on this icon, and after all done you can post these stories, multiple photo stories on your Instagram. So just share it. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe me. Thank you for watching.